Hi everyone. Now I've got some things to finish off, so I'm just gonna, I actually took things from them when I changed them, and I just want to alter them and put them back as they were. So this was the bow that I made, and I think you'll remember me making some of these. We do sell all the trims and the ribbons. And then I've got these. Now, you'll have to look on the website. These come from a bib. Well, when they came, I looked at them and thought, do you know what, I'm going to cut that. And I ended up cutting them up, and I came up with these doily bits. But there was quite a few of those. So I'm going to use that as a back. Just get rid of my dried glue. They match perfectly for what I wanted. On there like that. I love these bows, I really do. And then what I've got here are some of these. Oh, we've had quite a while. So what I'm going to do, here's my pliers, is to snip these off. Because I've got a big pearl I want to use. So I've got this big pearl. I had it on a stick pin, but I'm not fussed about that. That'll help pin it down, I think. I'm going to put that in the middle. Like that. That's it. You see, you've just got to go with the flow. Oh, they just look stunning, don't they? I might put 4 on, you know. Now, I've been emptying drawers and boxes and God knows what else, just sorting through it. I do it every now and again. Now, for those of you that were on the list for the kits, do you remember the kits I was doing? All the grab bags. I've got some ready to go in. I think I can do another 3 at the moment, since I've sorted everything out. So I will find the list, and then the next 3 will be contacted. Ready to go. You know, if you're interested still in one of those, then yes, I will contact you, and you will be included on the next lot that's coming, you know, that's coming out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it's already backed. Gorgeous. So that's that. The other thing was I'd started this flower. And I'd used this sort of thing. It was just a trim that I cut. But, you know, I've got bits and pieces that I want to use up. See, like this stuff. And you know me. I'm a bugger for using bits up. This trim came off of something else. Do you know, I can pull that off, I think. We can do that. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I'm just adding stuff. This was off the things I've just bought. They are in the shop, so run along and grab them. As long as you can see everything I'm putting on, that's all you need. Oh, look, got a bit of this. My scrap flower. Do you know what? I'm going to cut that into 2. But then I'm going to pleat it. Like that. And you just use that on there. Like that. That's it. I'm going to put that there. Because you can put them anywhere you want. Put anything where you want. Doesn't matter. Now, I managed to get these. Salvage these. I'm not sure. Yeah, can we do that? I can do that. So I'm going to put one there, and I did have another one. Yeah, they're just salvaged from something else. Not salvaged. These are cut from a doily, and you know, all you do, you just add them in till you get your scrap flower that you're after. Now I've also got a piece of this, which I cut from now and again, as you can see. I am expecting some mail, but they said it's got delivered, but unless this is it coming. It just said it's been delivered, but it hasn't come to me yet. So I just hope nobody's nabbed it. I won't be happy if they have. I've got that. Now these, look at these. I've had these a long time, and I don't like using them. Because I love them. I'm just cutting it out. Quite rough. See, like that. And then we just burnish that so you get the full. Oh God, I let that burn, look. Silly me. Now, that will do. I ain't fussed about that neither. I know it doesn't look like much yet, but bear with me, because Fifi knows what she's doing. Ah. Do we want that? No, I don't think we do, but oh, look at that. I've got some little bits and pieces I need to just use up. There we go. Got a leaf I'm going to take for something else. A flower I don't want anymore. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to take this gorgeous paper flower. Put a glue stick in because I might need that. Can't glue without glue. I'm going to pop that in the middle like that. Now, let me just see. We can use that bit up later on. What have we got here? See what I've got in my dish. I've got some beaded string. No, I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to get some more of this. 2, 4, 6. I'm going to fold that in like that. Lift that up and put that underneath like that. So we've got our ready-made tassel. I don't like that one that's sticking out, so I'm just going to trim that one like that. I'm going to do that with that side as well, so they're evenish. That's it, like that. Right, let's have a look, see what we've got. Now, I'm going to pop this pearl there, just like a pearl flower. Let's have a look. Now, hold that down there. I'm going to take another one of those leaves. That's it. And I'm going to pop that under there. Like that. And then I've got a little rose that I've made at some point somewhere. Which I'm just going to sit in there. I've got a tiny little rose there, which is a paper flower, which I'm going to sit next to it. Now it needs something here. What I've got is this little bit of lace. And I'm just going to fold it over like that and pop a little bit in there like that, and one more bit here. Let's put the other bit in like that, and we're going to pop that under there like that. That's it. That's more or less evened that out. I like that. I love the way we can see it all, even this. Yeah. Now I'm just going to glue that bit down like that, and I've got, now let me see, a flat pearl here. We've just found a stick pin. With a flat pearl, I'm just going to add that to it. Look at that. And we want something pink, because Fifi always has pink. Well, we've got a little pink one there. I'm just going to work out whether I want to put it there. Yeah, and bring that in a bit, that's it. And something there, I think. Now, let me see. Nope, 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 don't want those. Do we want that fee? Yes. Now what I'm going to do is just to sit that pearl. This is the best thing about this, you can just build on what you've got. You know. Okay, now. Not sure if I want to do that. Oh no, I've got one of these. Let me just check. No, too much. Okay, I've got to have a nice bead for here. Well, let's use one of our pink ones. I love these. Got one there. Yeah, don't need any more than that. But I might just put a little splashing of pink, a darker pink here, next to it. Now, do I want that kind of pink or do I want a different one? Here's one, a lighter one. There, like that. That's it. And I don't think we need any more. And from scraps, we've got that. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.